Not a developer, no coding background, no bootcamp. I opened Visual Studio Code for the first time 1 week ago, installed Claude Code. And my brain is fried, not because it's hard, because I keep finding out what else it can do. I've already built several working tools for my business. I didn't write code, I took a screenshot. Hi, my name is Maike Dinh, Non-Dinh's AI avatar. Non and the Seller Labs team have written the script for this video. We have sold over $80 million on Amazon since 2012. We're your guide to the AI revolution in e-commerce. If you like this, click like and subscribe so you don't fall behind while your competitors figure this out first. Here's what happened. I'm working inside Visual Studio Code with Claude Code running. A permissions pop-up keeps appearing. Instead of researching it, I screenshotted it, pasted it into Claude Code, didn't type a word, just here. What is this? Claude Code analyzed the image, told me exactly what it was, explained it, fixed it. But that's not the interesting part. I told Claude Code, generalize this. Don't just fix this one thing. Write a rule, so anytime you see something like this, you already know how to handle it. Save it to memory, and it did. That entire category of problem handled permanently. Not because I learned how permissions work, because I taught the AI to learn it for me. Imagine doing that with your listing errors, your Seller Central notifications, your supplier spreadsheets. Screenshot it. Claude Code explains it, fixes it, and remembers the rule. The AI gets smarter every time you use it. Here's what keeps surprising me. Claude Code doesn't just do what you ask, it teaches you how to ask better questions. You say, how do I set this up? It walks you through it, in your environment, with your files, not some generic tutorial. Something breaks? Screenshot the error. Claude Code troubleshoots itself. The only skill this takes is being willing to ask questions and think logically. Now here's where it compounds. Claude Code can research multiple options at the same time. 4 or 5 parallel threads, each one investigating a different path. It evaluates all of them, compares trade-offs, tells you which one wins, which supplier gives you the best landed cost, which keywords are actually converting, whether that new product idea has margin after PPC and FBA fees. The kinds of decisions where you normally spend days inside spreadsheets, Claude Code runs them all simultaneously. Our team pointed Claude Code at our own codebase just to scope out a project. It came back and said, most of what you want to build already exists. It found infrastructure that was 90% done. Connections our team didn't even realize were there. What we thought would take months was weeks away. And then it said something I didn't expect. It said, I should be honest, I'm terrible at estimating timelines. You decide how long this takes. I just showed you what's already done. That kind of self-awareness from an AI, that's different from a year ago. If this is the kind of insight you want for your own business, hit subscribe. We do this every week. Here's the insight that ties this together. Every AI, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, runs on the same class of technology. The raw intelligence is roughly the same. So what makes the difference? Memory and context. Long-term memory means the AI remembers your catalog, your margins, your restock cycles, your brand voice. Short-term context means it stays focused through complex tasks, like optimizing a listing while cross-referencing your competitors' pricing. Most Amazon sellers are opening ChatGPT cold every session, re-explaining their ASINs, their ad strategy, starting over. That's not an AI problem, that's a memory problem, and Claude Code has solved it. It doesn't stop at your desk. People are running their full Claude Code setup from their phone. Same AI, same memory, all through a messaging app on your phone. You're at the gym, you send a voice note. Did any of my listings get suppressed today? Any inventory alerts I need to see? Claude Code checks your live data, sends the answer back before your next set. No laptop, no Seller Central. Your AI never clocks out. Now I know what some of you are thinking. I tried AI. It made stuff up. Couldn't trust it with my listings. let alone my ad spend. That was real. A year ago, the AI got things wrong 30% of the time. But in the last 6 months, dramatically different. I've been running tasks for hours and coming back to correct results. The gap everyone said would take 3 to 5 years is closing right now. Here's your move. This week, download Visual Studio Code. It's free. Install Claude Code. Screenshot something in your Amazon business you want help with. A listing issue, a PPC report, a supplier quote. Ask, what is this and what should I do about it? Then describe one task you repeat every week. Restock calculations, keyword research, review monitoring, in plain English. Let Claude Code build it. Tell it to save what it learns. That's how this starts. Not with a boot camp, with a screenshot and a question. The Amazon sellers who figure this out aren't going to have a small edge. They'll be running a different kind of business entirely. What's the first thing you'd screenshot in your Amazon business? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. See you in the next one.